Hey everybody, check this dope-ish. It is the Logitech Bluetooth audio adapter. And what this does is it can provide Bluetooth connectivity to an older stereo system. And it can do it through these outputs on the back. So you have mini jack, RCA ports, and a power port. Now, this device also comes with a cable, a 5-foot cable, with mini jack and RCA ports. Now, you have multiple ways to connect this to the Logitech device. You can plug in the mini jack to the back of the Logitech device and then plug the RCA into a component system, probably your receiver. Or you can plug in the RCA into the Logitech and then take your mini jack and plug that into maybe an aux port or your component system as well. Even a car, a boat, those mini jack ports are handy. You can find them a lot of places. Now, what I do is I actually have a cable that's quite common, is RCA to RCA. So I run RCA out of the Logitech and plug in RCA into my component system. I think that sounds the best. I think it's probably related to signal to noise ratios, but if you think I'm wrong or you have a different opinion using this device and you think you get great sound with that mini jack, let me know. Put a comment down below. I'd love to hear the comparisons. I compared it and I thought the sound was a little better using the RCA outs. Now, when you first turn on this device, there's a light here, a real small light that will start blinking, indicating that you are in pairing mode. And what you will do is take your device, whether it's a cell phone or tablet, go to your Bluetooth settings and connect it to the Logitech audio receiver. There will be an audible tone that plays on your system, alerting you that you are connected. So that's nice. Nice to have that confirmation. If you ever need to pair another device, the top of this device is a button. So once you hit the button, it'll start pairing again. You can add another device, and multiple devices can be connected to this adapter, which is nice. Another pro is that this device is really small. It's about half the size of a deck of cards. I expected it to be bigger, but it's small and it really fits in. You can tuck it behind a stereo, no problem, out of sight. It also has a rubber footing so that when it's on a surface, it usually sticks there pretty well. The only problems I've had is with chunkier cables, sometimes can pull it back and forth. Now, one issue is the range. On Amazon website where I purchased this, they said it has a range of 50 feet. Maybe that's in open spaces. I use this in a house and I'm using it in other rooms, and it just doesn't have that 50-foot range that they state. It goes about 25 feet really well. So I can accept that. That's pretty good in a house. Going through walls, in corners, I'll take it. I'm pleased with that, but don't expect 50 feet if you're in a house going into other rooms. You're more likely to have 25 to 30 feet range. But other than that, this thing is really great. Love it. I really think I'll pick up a few more. I do have a lot of old computer speakers and stereo systems throughout the house that could use just an upgrade. They're great speakers, far better than any Sonos or anything like that. It's just they don't have the Bluetooth connectivity, and this provides that. Now, it costs about $27 right now on Amazon. I'll put the link below. Check it out, but you can find these occasionally on a deal of the day. Logitech often does those deals with Amazon, and I've seen this device on there a few times, so it'll fluctuate down into the low 20s. Anyways, this is the Logitech Bluetooth audio adapter. Put any comments or questions below. Always appreciate it. Take care.